Well, one massive improvement in Nano Banana Pro is now this model is capable of creating a 4K picture. So the picture is very sharp and also very big. However, there is one big downside. Right now, this 4K capability is not directly available in the official Gemini web or app version. So you can only generate up to 2K, which in my opinion is actually decent, but if you want to get something larger, then unfortunately you cannot use it in the official Gemini platform. So in this video, I'm going to show you some alternatives that you can try to generate a 4K picture for free, of course, using Gemini Nano Banana Pro model. So the first option that you can try is a tool called loveart.ai. So actually there are plenty of random AI websites that are offering tools or features to generate a 4K picture using Nano Banana Pro, but I think LoveArt is actually a well-established name. It is also very popular, and I have made some videos about this tool. It is overall very useful. It's easy to use, and it comes with some great features. And now, to create a 4K picture, you can create a free account and they will give you some credits. And here, to create a 4K picture, you actually have to make sure to include that in the prompting. For example, this is the prompt that I'm going to use. So just a happy man in tuxedo running on a beach, and he's holding a big giant banana. And you have to specify that you want to have 4K resolution. Make sure to include that in the prompting. And here in the cube icon, you can select the model, which is Nano Banana Pro. And after that, you can send the message. So just wait, because it will create a new project and it will start creating the picture. So the 4K pictures actually will take quite some time to finish. I think it is about 40 seconds. And while it's still creating the picture, I want to show you the second tool that you can try, and that is Google AI Studio. Now, just to be clear, it is not exactly free, because when I'm recording this video, the Nano Banana Pro model in AI Studio is actually not available unless if you set up your billing. So if you set up your billing, you will actually get $300 of free credits, and that is free, by the way. It's you don't have to pay for anything. You need to provide your credit card or debit card information, but they will give you $300 of credit, so you can use a lot of models in AI Studio alongside with Google Vertex AI. And after that, you can navigate to aistudio.google.com, and then you can chat with models, and you can select Nano Banana Pro model. So that's a model. And you have to link the API key. If you haven't doing that, then it will send you this kind of interface or message, and you have to select your own project and you have to select the key. Now, unfortunately, I cannot really show you the step-by-step process to set up the project or billing, because that's actually one-time action. Just do it once and you can use the same project or keys over and over again. After that, just select the key, and you can start generating a picture using Nano Banana Pro. So I guess I'll just use the same instruction again, and you can select aspect ratio. And also you can select the resolution, which is 4K. There you go. Click run and just wait. Now let's go back to loveart.ai. And okay, as you can see, it has created a picture, but it hasn't loaded on my computer because a 4K picture is actually very big. Expect the picture to be about 10 megabytes or maybe 20 megabytes in size, because again, it is really big. As you can see, it is 5,000 pixels by 3,000 pixels. So yeah, it's very big. It is actually larger than my monitor screen. So that's a massive picture. Anyway, while still waiting, the third tool that you can try is LM Arena. So just navigate to lmarena.ai. This is actually a tool that is used to compare the AI models, whether it is AI chat or AI image generator. And here you can actually use Gemini Nano Banana Pro to create a picture. Just navigate to this tool. You can actually not creating an account, by the way. It is still available even without an account, but here I actually have created an account. And after that, you can click battle, click direct chat, and select Gemini 3 Pro, and you can insert your prompt. And after that, enable image generation and send the message. Now, just to be clear, this is actually, I would say the service is not quite reliable because it is not a tool, it is not a company that is trying to make money. So they're actually trying to adjust the capability of the model based on how much demand or how many people using the model at the same time. So there is no guarantee you'll get a 4K resolution picture via LM Arena, but if you're lucky, then you can get a 4K picture. So that's one thing that you need to know. And yeah, as you can see, it was very quick, and I'm pretty sure it wasn't a 4K picture. It was too quick. And if I download a picture, I think the size is going to be about maybe 1 or 2 megabytes, which is decent, but it is definitely not a 4K picture. Okay. Yeah, it's 1.4 megabytes. Definitely not 4K. I don't have to check manually. I believe it is not 4K. So yeah, it is not quite reliable. However, in Love Art, I think it is quite reliable. You can actually get a 4K picture. Okay, it is still not showing me the picture, but let me just refresh the page and hopefully we can see the picture. Apologies for that. It is mostly because of my somewhat slow connection due to weather. The current weather is not very friendly, but I can guarantee you that it is actually generating a 4K picture. There you go. So this is the picture. You can open it to see the picture. You can click this download button to get the 4K picture to your computer. Now it needs to be some sort of package and then sent to my computer, so it might take for a while. Now let's go back to Google AI Studio, and as you can see, now we just created a 4K picture in Google AI Studio. It is very sharp, it is big, and you can click this download button to get it to your computer. So yeah, I guess these are some options that you can try to generate a free 4K picture using Gemini Nano Banana Pro model. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.